Hey everyone, it's Tommy. Hey, I just want to shoot this quick video concerning the Fearless Mama. It's a relatively new program that's been out since about October. It's January now. October, November, December, about 3 months. We already have over 1,000 people that have already joined the Fearless Mama because they see the potential with this. It is a member-to-member program. So what it is you pay one time. You can come in as low as 250 bucks one time, and there's no admin fee with this. And let me show you a little bit about what you get with it. I'm going to go into my back office here. This is the dashboard right here. Once you come in, opt into a page, you're going to go land on this page right here. This is Tammy. She is the going over everything about what you get with the Fearless Mama, including like Craigslist training. I mean, this right here in itself is worth a lot. I mean, way more than 250 bucks. And what it is, it's Craigslist. You can go on, once you become a member, you can go on to Craigslist, and she walks you through and shows you how you can place ads for as little as $5. And I've already done it, and I've already gotten quite a few opt-ins already. People that have read my ad on Craigslist, and they've opted into my page, and now they're on my autoresponder. So this does work very good. Not to mention, in the back office also, she goes over, we have a weekly Zoom, we call it, every Monday night. She'll go over and talk about strategies of how easy you can do this program and get people to opt in to your page and start making your 250 bucks over and over and over. But I do have to say, this is not something you're going to get rich overnight with. You have to put in the work with this. Take an hour and a half every day and just do exactly what she says to do, and you will see results from this, guys. It's simple. It's not rocket science. It's not rocket science, rather. Also, you get extra goodies here. There's modules here. She goes over her how she lost 100 pounds, and there's like 7 modules back here of training, full-blown good training, guys. And let's see, you know what? And also, we have a page. It's on Facebook for everyone that gets involved with this. They'll be added to this page, and there's people on there that's already into the system that will help you guys show their strategies of how they're bringing people in. I mean, this is by far the best program that I have seen on the internet in many years. I've been online for a long time, and this right here is hands down the best I've seen in years. So with that, guys, if you haven't jumped on board yet, I would definitely tell you you're missing out big time, because like I said, it's already over 1,000 members that have joined this program already because they know what's going to happen with this. It's already going viral and everyone's jumping on board. So with that, guys, I just wanted to kind of do the short video because I am very proud of this program right here. Hands down is the best I've been in yet. So if you haven't yet, there's a link right down below. Click on it and at least take a look around for yourself and see what you think. Until next time, you guys, make it a great day. Peace.